Hey guys, welcome to our home. We're a family of three, currently traveling the U.S. full-time in our fifth wheel. Here's our living area. We have a dining table, and then we have really cool seats that recline so we can watch movies. And then next up is our kitchen, which is pretty spacious. Microwave, oven, cooktop, and then a double sink. We even have an extendable countertop, fridge, freezer. And then we have a pantry, and then next is our coffee maker. We have lots of storage space. We have an 8-year-old named Aiden. Here's his room. He loves hanging out in here and playing video games. He actually has a TV, which I think is pretty cool, and I hang out in there with him often. We have a loft area that Aiden loves to sleep in sometimes. It's a pretty big loft and can fit up to 3 kids up there if you want to. And then next is our bathroom, toilet, sink, and then we have a shower that is pretty big and can fit 2 people as well. And then coming up next is our master bedroom. We have a dresser, TV, washer, dryer, and then we have a closet for all our clothes. And then pretty cool king size bed where Aiden loves to hang out and jump on. Bye.